Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm gonna do a quick video showing off my craft room. And this was the attic that my husband turned into a craft room. But so I go up a little step here. That I still have to find like a little table to put it on top of. But I go up and that is the lamp. And I'm gonna do, I guess, wall from, each wall. So we come this way, and that's what you see there. And I'm not gonna so much open drawers because I have a lot of drawers and they're all like pretty much filled. But if you guys want to see another video showing what's inside these drawers, I can show you how I organize it. But that's this section. And then, so those are the stairs to come up the craft room. And then here, boy, I'm tired. So here is my wall of flowers. All those boxes are filled with flowers. So everything in there is flowers. I'll go into that room in a minute. And then this is my main table. And those are containers from Walmart. I bought 4. And then my husband bought a big heavy piece of wood and put Formica on it. This is my chair that I got from Amazon. It's really comfy. So this section here, those little cute little containers are also from Walmart. And I keep a lot of like pom-pom trim. And that I have some more little goodies. And then this wall here, my husband just built me this shelf. That's why it's empty. And I'm slowly filling it up. And then I have those 2 Alex drawers that are filled. Like this one is probably like Dollar Tree stuff, and this one is Target. Like it's filled completely. Like every time I go shopping, I always buy multiple of, because I'm always doing Happy Mail and I love giving, goodies away. And then this one here is I keep a lot of stickers in this thing here. That back there is from Hobby Lobby, and that was on clearance for $20, and it was brown and ugly and all scratched up. And my husband took it, sanded a little bit, and painted it pink and white, and it looks like brand new. Then over here I have 2 more Alex drawers, and it's filled with dies, all my like big dies, and just a whole bunch of stuff. Like I said, I'm not going to go through each drawer, but if you want me to go through each drawer, let me know. I can always make another video. Here I have a door, and this is what I call my storage room. So this is my storage room, and there's a lot of stuff that I'm still unpacking and organizing. So you got that. And because this wall got that slant, oh my god, every time I come in here I sometimes bang my head if I forget that wall's there. But that's here, so I hardly go in this one. I still have to organize it. The one I do go into is this one here. And as you can see, it doesn't have a door because I'm always in and out. And this one I call like my supply room. Ignore the mess on the table. Usually when I buy something, I just throw it up there first. But this is where I have all my wrapping paper and a whole bunch of other goodies. And looks like that. This is where I have my ribbons. And usually I end up turning this on just to give it a little light. There's no light in this room. But those are my ribbons in that little container. is from Home Depot. So it looks like that. And then this section, that's still on the floor. My husband has to put that up there. I have more goodies on this side. And again, this is the little light that I turn on. Where is it? Here it is. Just gives me a cute, you know, some little light. And this one is filled with bags, tons and tons of bags. So if you guys want to see what I have in these storage containers, let me know. But basically that is it. You know, just a quick little view of my room. And let me know what you guys think. If you want me to do another video showing just detail of what's in these containers, I can do that. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.